हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट सचिन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल लिव टू लर्न एंड लर्न टू लिव। तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं अबाउट कंप्यूटर्स में हम सीखेंगे कि इन माय कंप्यूटर हाउ टू क्रिएट वन एक्स्ट्रा ड्राइव एंड अबाउट डॉस हम लोग उसके कुछ कमांड सीखेंगे। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट्स गो अहेड। So guys, let's start here. Today we will learn about some important commands which is used in disk operating system. Before learning about that command, I want to create one drive in my computer. In my computer, I am having three drives: C drive, D drive and E drive. I want to create one more extra drive so that I can show you demo while using my DOS commands. Here I am going to create one extra drive, and this is the process. First you press Windows R key and type diskmgmt.msc and press enter. As soon you will press enter, disk management will open. Here you can see C drive, D drive and E drive available. In D drive I am seeing here 71.06 GB is free, so I can shrink this volume. Then for shrinking this volume I will right click here and I will shrink volume. Now it is being shrinked. You can see here 72 GB is free in this D drive. So what I will do, I will use only 52867 GB for my new drive, and I will enter on shrink. Guys, you can see shrinking process is completed here. Now I am having 51.63 GB unallocated space here. Now I will create one extra drive here, and this is the process. You can see on right click these options are coming. I am selecting new simple volume. As I clicked on new simple volume, this wizard is opened. I will press next, and this is the space. I want to create only one single volume, that's why I will not do anything here. Again I will enter and assign the following drive. This will be my H drive. You can change it here. Let it be H drive. Mount in the following NTFS folder. Leave it. Do not assign a drive letter or drive path. I can, if you don't want to assign any drive path, then you can select this. I am selecting this option, default option, and I am again enter on next. If you want to format this, you can format, but I am not going to format this. I will do next and I will do finish. Now you can see this drive is formatting and H drive is created here. This drive is totally blank. Now we'll close this window. Now it's time to learn about disk operating system commands. Some important commands I will tell you, I will explain you. You can see for working in disk operating system, you have to open command prompt. Go to start menu and type cmd. It will come and you press enter. This is open. Command prompt is open, but this is not having administrator privilege, so I will close it. For opening command prompt in administrative mode, you have to go in start menu and you have to type cmd.exe. Now press Ctrl Shift together and press enter. Now it is open in administrator mode. Now command prompt is open with administrator privilege. Column enter. Friends, presently you are in C drive. If you want to come out these directories Windows System 32, then you have to press cd/enter. Now you are in C drive. If you want to change the drive, just type, suppose I want to go in H drive, H and colon, after H press after H type colon and then enter. Now you are in H drive. Suppose if you want to create a folder in H drive, then what is the command? Type md and then give the folder name, give the directory name. Directory and folder are same, friends. Then suppose I type my name Sachin. Now Sachin will be created in H drive. Let me check. I will press Windows E. I will go in H drive. Sachin folder is, Sachin directory is created. Now suppose you want to create another folder inside H drive. Then what I will do, friends? I will go first inside Sachin. For that I will type cd Sachin. Now I am inside Sachin folder, and if I want to create another directory inside Sachin, then I will type md test. Now test folder will be created inside Sachin folder. Now suppose you want to create a file inside test folder, then what you have to do? You go inside test folder first, cd test. I am inside test folder and I want to create a file here. Then for creating a file, what is command? Copycon. Copycon, and then give your file name. Suppose I am giving demo.txt. Okay, this file is created and I want to write something in this file. I will write this is a demo class and then press Ctrl Z and enter. One file is copied. Now I will check it is done or not. So again I will open test. Inside test demo file is created and I will open demo. This is a demo class. So what we have learned here? We have learned creating a directory and creating a file and saving it. Next, what we will learn? Again we will come out from this directory Sachin and test. What I will do? I will do cd dot enter, cd dot enter. If you will type cd slash, then what will happen? You will come out from all the directories. Next, what I will do? I will create another file in H drive, md issue. This file will be created. Then again I will go inside issue, cd issue. I am inside issue. Then again I will create a file here, copycon Muskan, sorry, demo1.txt. I will write this is demo1. Ctrl Z and enter. Now friends, inside H drive two folders are created. Let me check. Windows E H. This is H drive. Inside H drive issue folder is created. Inside issue demo1 file is there and Sachin folder is created. Inside Sachin test file is there and inside test demo file is created. Okay, now what we will learn how to copy files from one folder to another folder. This is very simple. First you come out cd dot. I am in H drive. Suppose I want to copy Windows E. I want to copy this demo1 into Sachin. Then how it will do? I will write copy. First we have to give source and then destination. What is your source? Your source is my source is issue. So I have to give complete path of issue. Then I will, what is the path of issue? H drive issue. This is the path of issue, space H drive Sachin. I want to copy it in Sachin. I want to copy file inside issue should be copied in Sachin. What is inside issue? Inside issue demo1 is available. Okay. Then what I will do here, friends, now I will press enter. One file is copied. Now I have to check this demo1 file should be inside Sachin folder. Demo1 is, friends, demo1 is copied here. Now you have learned how to copy one file into another folder. Command is very simple. First we have to write copy and then source and then destination. Again, if you want this folder and this file both should be copied in inside issue. Okay, now inside Sachin, what are the things available? I want to, that should be going inside issue. For what is the command for that? For that we have to do xcopy. If you want to copy entire things, folder, files, videos, audios, anything, any kind of file, if you want to copy from one drive to another drive, from one folder to another folder, then you have to use xcopy. Then you have to use xcopy command. Then I will type xcopy here, xcopy copy space. Now what I will write, I am creating inside Sachin, this is inside test folder, demo is available and one file is available, and I will create one blank folder. Okay, I want these three folders files should go in issue. For that, now what I will do, I have written xcopy space slash s means subfolder, slash e means empty folder, slash p means it will ask you before pasting files folder. Then then type source. What is your source? H drive. Why it is coming every time, I don't know. H drive slash Sachin space H drive slash issue. That's all. Command is completed. Now you have to press enter. It is asking because I have typed here slash p. Then what I will do, I will type yes, no, all. Again it is asking, there is something in issue folder, that's why it is asking yes, no, all. I will press yes. Yes, two files copied. Let me check what are the things have copied. issue. All other files have been copied. All things have been copied. So these, now you have learned, friends, we have learned about copying files and folders. Again, I will tell you about some more commands. Friends, if you want to know details of network adapter available in this PC, for that you have to type ipconfig/all. It will show details of all the network adapter available in this PC. This is the physical address of all the network adapter, your Bluetooth adapter, your Ethernet adapter, your wireless LAN adapter, and IP. Presently what IP I am using? I am using this IP 169 because my PC is connected with wireless LAN. So this is my IP 169.254.140.182. Next command is ping command. If you want to check any device in network which is physically connected to your PC or not, then you can check that with the help of ping command. I am typing ping. My PC is in network, but I don't know the IP of any other device. I will type one IP 127. This is loopback IP, and this will check my IP ping 127.0.0.1.1. 127.0.0.1. You can see it is pinging. It means my LAN card is serviceable. Another important command is how to give shutdown your PC. I don't want to do shutdown right now, but for shutting down your PC, command is shutdown /p. P means it is planned shutdown. You can shut down your PC by typing this command. Moreover, next command is format command. I have created H drive in this, and that H drive is not having any important data for me. That's why I am going to format my H drive. So what is the command for formatting H drive? That is format. So first of all, I will come out from these partitions. First of all, I will come out from these two directories. What I will type? I will type cd /enter. I have to format H drive, so I will type format space H colon space /q means quick format, and I will press enter. Enter current volume level for drive H. My new volume label is new volume. I have not changed this. New volume. I will press enter. Proceed with format. Yes. It is indicating volume level 32 characters. Enter for none. None के लिए I have to enter. Now it is being started and my drive is formatted. Let me check. I will press Windows Z. Now my H drive is blank and it is formatted drive. Next command is cls, it will clear the screen. Next command is exit, it will exit the command prompt. So thank you friends, I have explained a lot of commands in this.